In my years of business, I've seen countless next big things that were really just expensive distractions. But today, we aren't talking about the magic of AI or some distant future where robots run your company. We are talking about survival and scale. For a long time, the biggest companies had the biggest tools. Today, the wall has crumbled. Pragmatic AI is the great equalizer. It's not about the hype you see on the news, it's about the extra 20 hours in your month, the 30% you save on over. Pragmatic AI is the shift from viewing artificial intelligence as a futuristic miracle to treating it as a practical utility, like electricity or high-speed internet. In the business world, especially for MSMEs, it represents the move away from the hype cycle, chatting with bots for fun, toward hands-on productivity, using specific tools to solve defined business problems. The three core principles of Pragmatic AI: 1. Outcome first, technology second. Instead of asking, how can I use AI, a pragmatic approach asks, which part of my business is slow, expensive, or prone to error? The hype, installing a massive AI system because it's the future. The pragmatic, using a simple AI tool to automatically categorize your expenses or draft your weekly email newsletter. 2. Accessibility low cost. Pragmatic AI doesn't require a team of data scientists. It leverages off-the-shelf tools and small language models, SLMs, that are affordable, often costing less than a monthly utility bill, low-code/no-code. You don't need to be a programmer to set them up. Immediate. They provide ROI in days, not months. 3. Force multiplication. It focuses on augmentation, not just automation. It's about making your current team 10 times more effective. Example, an accountant using AI to scan 500 invoices for errors in seconds. The AI doesn't replace the accountant, it removes the drudge work so the accountant can focus on financial strategy. For business owner, the big AI models can feel overwhelming and irrelevant. Pragmatic AI is the street-level version. It's the realization that you don't need to understand how the engine works to drive the car to your destination. It's about finding the low-hanging fruit, the small, repetitive tasks that, when automated, give you the mental space to grow your business instead of just managing it. To prove that Pragmatic AI isn't just a buzzword but a financial strategy, we can look at the latest 2025 and 2026 data. These studies show that MSMEs aren't winning by building the next big thing, but by using AI to fix small, expensive leaks in their operations. 1. The found time factor, operational ROI. A July 2025 THRYV study found that small businesses are using AI as a virtual employee to reclaim their most valuable asset, time. The statistic, 58% of small business AI users save more than 20 hours per month. The pragmatic impact, for a microenterprise, that is equivalent to gaining half of a full-time employee without the payroll taxes or overhead. The result, nearly two-thirds, 66%, of SMBs report that these efficiency gains save them between $500 and $2,000 per month in labor costs. 2. Revenue growth market agility. According to the Salesforce SMB Trends Report, December 2024, and updated 2026 IDC predictions, AI is no longer a luxury, it is a growth engine. The statistic, 91% of SMBs using AI report a boost in revenue. The growth gap. Small business leaders who invest in AI are nearly twice as likely to report year-over-year growth compared to those who don't. The competitiveness factor, 73% of small businesses state that AI has finally leveled the playing field, allowing them to compete with larger rivals that have 10 times their headcount. U.S. Chamber of Commerce, 2025. 3. Rapid adoption low barrier to entry. The OECD D4 SME survey, April 2026, highlights that the most successful MSMEs are those choosing off-the-shelf, pragmatic solutions over custom builds. The statistic, 72% of SMEs that adopted AI reported measurable productivity improvements within just 6 months. The accessibility factor, 67% of SME owners found AI tools easier to implement than expected, proving that you don't need a PhD to get results. Starting, Pragmatic AI in the Philippines requires a slightly different approach than in Silicon Valley. Here, the street-smart businessman wins by utilizing the great equalizer, tools that are low-cost, mobile-friendly, and often supported by government-led digital initiatives. As of April 2026, here is the 4-step roadmap for a Philippine MSME to start today. Step 1. Audit your pain points, the 80-20 rule. Don't automate for the sake of tech. Identify the administrative drudge that keeps you from selling. In the PH context, these are usually customer inquiry handling, content fatigue, and sales tracking, moving from paper receipts or messy Excel sheets to actual insights. Step 2. Leverage the Filipino AI toolkit. Under 1,000 Cuban pesos per month, Pragmatic AI in the PH is about chat, design, and automation. Step 3. Plug into the Philippine AI ecosystem. In 2026, the government has moved from planning to implementing. Don't spend your own money until you check these resources. DTI Negocio Centers, AI-enabled as of March 2026, over 14 pilot Negocio Centers in rural areas have been upgraded with AI training capabilities. Visit your local branch. They now have staff trained to help MSMEs with AI for registration and operations. DOST NCR PIBA, the DOST have programs to help MSME. Step 4. Execute a 30-day pilot. A veteran businessman doesn't flip the switch. He tests. In the Philippines, business is built on trust. Tiwala. Pragmatic AI should be the back office, but never the front face. Use AI to handle the numbers, the drafting, and the scheduling, but always keep the Filipino touch when dealing with your customers and your brothers. The AI does the work, you keep the relationship. Thank you. Contact us now. Please like and subscribe.